Yes, how's it going, guys? Today we are looking at Christmas decorations and Christmas products. We are here with Crystal and Michelle looking at some cool products. And let's just take some hats, for example, right? You got some Santa hats here. We got some nice little text on there, naughty. We got a ho 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 over here, and we've just got some normal Christmas hats as well. So what would be the rough FOB cost on a hat like this?
For this one, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the price, 价格.
So this is 0.8, 80 cent. And what would be the MOQ on a Christmas hat like this? 1,000 pieces.
Yeah.
Amazing. So that's also a really good thing to consider, the 80 cent on a product, 1,000 piece MOQ. So the order value is only $800. So it's a really good test item, or even if you're just doing it for a company event or gifts or anything like that, it's less than $1,000 to gift. So let's take some other products as well. For example, let's say this like little Merry Christmas, this little headband as well. So the price on this, we have 69 cent. And MOQ, I'm guessing, also around 1,000 pieces?
They are the same MOQ, yeah.
Same MOQ. Okay, so amazing. Around 80 cent for the hat, around 69 cent for this. And what would be your lead times for a product like this? Because people would want to have it delivered for December, for November to sell it in the Christmas season. So how long from when someone places a purchase order to the goods being completed?
Yes.
What's the lead time?
25 到30天. 25 days.
25 days.
Yeah.
That's very fast. So I assume you have like materials in stock,
Yes.
and then your
Yes,
turnaround time is very, very
factory.
fast.
And the factory that is in Dongguan.
Dongguan.
Yeah, yes, we have.
Very cool. And how many workers do you have in your factory?
30, yeah.
30. Okay, oh, close enough. All right, cool, amazing. So if people want to contact you, they can reach out to you directly. Michelle, I'm going to put your details up there. I'm going to put it in a link in the description down below. There's a WeChat there as well. If you can scan that, good luck. If not, just go into the description of the video. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. And make sure you contact Michelle for all your Christmas decoration needs. Merry Christmas. Okay, so out of all the suppliers I've interviewed at the Canton Fair, probably the coolest name belongs to this guy. Do you want to repeat for the camera? What's your name?
My name is Dragon.
Dragon, love it. It's very fitting that Dragon is selling Christmas products, right? And this is very cool because like Christmas products are very seasonal. So you have some very cool products here. These ones are interesting because they have sound, light, and snow.
Snow.
I believe the MOQ for these products is quite small as well, right?
Not very big.
Not very big.
Not very big.
So if I wanted to order one of these items, what would be the MOQ?
About 100, okay.
About 100 pieces, great. So it's a good amount, it's a good number for a customer to do a test, do a test order and see how it goes. But the interesting thing about the Christmas products, actually, maybe let's talk about the price as well. What would be the price of an item like this?
For example, this price, we use dollar, just about 26.
26, around, yeah. All prices I'm sure will be negotiable based on your quantity, so I'll put Dragon's contact information for you guys to reach out to him directly in a link in this video. But then maybe like something like this or something like this, I guess it would be similar price around like maybe $30 or $35, something like this, right?
Yes.
And are these your factory's designs? So you've come up with like this formula that takes these, and what's the material of these balls down here? Foam. So the foam basically goes down here, gets sucked up, and then shoots up through there, and it looks like it's always snowing on Santa.
Yes.
Love it. So where is the main market that you sell these products?
We sell all over the world.
All over the world, right?
Europe, American, and South American is our main market.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So with this being a Christmas product, people want to put this product in front of their homes around like beginning of December. So when do you normally ship these products to the customer? I'm assuming that all shipments go out for Christmas products maybe around September, October, right?
About this time, my customer come here to look our new sample. And we'll talk about how to change the inside one or the outside. So the order maybe in the November or December, they will make order to us.
But
the next year.
For the following year. So you actually get your orders like 1 year in advance.
Yeah.
Because the production lead time on something like this, like let's say for example someone orders a 40-foot high cube container, I guess maybe you get, I don't know, 300, 400 pieces in a container?
Depend on what time you make the orders. For example, November or December, we can finish the container in March or April.
Okay, cool. So for anyone doing like seasonal products, right, you really want to be placing your orders well in advance. It's difficult to come in September or October and place an order and expect it to arrive for Christmas, because obviously you have to take into time the sample lead time to make sure that the samples are fine, that you approve it, then the actual production time, and then after the production time, then you have the shipping time as well. And even in the shipping time, you need to give yourself some time for customs clearance, send to the warehouse, distribute to the customer. So really allow yourself maybe at least 6 months. So it's quite funny that the Christmas products are probably being produced in the summertime.
Yes.
But I guess you guys are making Christmas products in your factory all year round, or maybe you have maybe you make Halloween products as well?
No, just Christmas.
Just Christmas. So I'm guessing the mood in your factory must be a lot of excitement, right? Everyone always feels Christmassy. Everyone wears like red and green. Maybe like everyone dresses like Santa in your office, or maybe you guys, you don't like Christmas anymore. You see it every day.
We look this Christmas lantern every year, but we like it.
Yeah, you like it.
So
you like it. And maybe that's why your name is Dragon, because But that's cool. That's cool. So, anything else you want to share with the audience, maybe about your factory? I'm guessing your factory is nearby to here.
Not far from here, in Guangdong Province.
Guangdong Province. So maybe like 1 hour by car, by train.
By car, about 5 hours.
5 hours. Okay, cool. So anyone wants to come check out products, check out my guy Dragon. I'm going to put your name card information. That is Dragon's name card, but I'm going to put it in the information in the description of this video. If you want any Christmas products, make sure you reach out to Dragon. And depending on when the audience is watching this video, I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, and I hope you have. Hope Santa's good to you. Dragon, my man, thank you. Appreciate it. Have a great Canton Fair.
Thank you.
See you guys. So we're just looking at Christmas trees at the moment, and I'm with Jesse, and Jesse was kindly explaining the differences in quality on the Christmas trees, which is quite interesting because visually they all look very similar, but there's two main different materials for Christmas trees. You have PVC, which is a little bit cheaper, and then you have PE, which is like stronger material, more long life lasting, but there's quite a significant price difference between the two. So I know the audience and the users can't really touch and feel this tree, but this is just a little bit more soft and brittle, and this is a PVC material. And Jesse, this tree is about 1.8 meters. What would be the FOB price for a tree like this?
$12.50.
So $12.50. And this tree, I guess it can pack up into like maybe a few different sections, and you can fold it up and you can put it in one small box.
This one, 2, 3.
Oh, very cool. Very cool.
1 to 3.
So very easy to assemble. Oh, cool. So you basically got a foot stand and then 3 sections, and then this is roughly $12 for the PVC material.
Yes.
And what is the MOQ you would expect from a new customer for a Christmas tree like this?
Normally we need 300 pieces for one item.
300 pieces, that's very reasonable. Yeah, that's good. Here we have a slightly larger tree, and this is maybe 2.1, 2.2 meter.
1 meter.
And what's fascinating about this is a PVC and PE mix.
Yeah.
So you have PE material on the outside, so you feel that nicer quality Christmas tree on the outside.
Yes.
It's very strong, but then on the inside in the middle section,
We fill with PVC, you can see.
it's PVC on the inner, so which is really smart because like most people don't touch or feel or see the inside of the tree.
What we see, what we touch are made in PE.
Yeah, and that's a really good blend of different materials, right, to really bring the cost down to the lowest price it can possibly be. And the PE price, I think, is significantly higher. So, and also this tree is a little bit bigger. What would be the FOB cost on a tree like this, which is a PE PVC mix?
Like this one with no lights, the price is about $45.
45. So you can see the
No
difference.
lights.
Like you go from 12 to 45, and it's only a little bit larger, but it's tall, and then it's just got that better PE material. And then we can move on to this tree here, and this one it is PE. Is this all PE or is this also PVC?
PVC mixed tree. You can see PE here, PVC inside.
Great. So this is a mix as well, but this one has inbuilt light. This is not the lights that you wrap around the tree yourself. This is lights that's actually fixed onto it. So it's
We wrap it before we ship, before we pack.
so you guys wrap it, so perfect. So it's literally just open the box and go. Just stack the
Then
3
use it
sections.
exactly.
So how long does it take to set this tree up? Like when you open the box to like having the tree fully
Just
assembled?
several minutes is enough.
Just a few minutes.
Yes,
So it's for everyone. So
very easy to install.
very cool. So your main markets is
European market.
European market. Okay.
Yes, we ship to North Europe and the Middle Europe.
Perfect.
Also West Europe.
So if anyone's interested in your Christmas trees, you can contact Jesse directly. I'm going to put Jesse's contact information in the link in the description of this video, so definitely check that out. And reach out to Jesse, only 300 pieces MOQ, talk about the PVC, talk about the PE material, mention the lights. I'm sure you've got nice packaging, and you've got other smaller trees and nice other decorations as well. So if you are looking for some Christmas trees, contact Jesse and she'll look after you. Take care, guys. All the best. Hey guys, so I hope you're getting value from this video already, and if you're liking these Christmas products, please do me a massive solid and hit that like and subscribe button down below. It helps more than you know, and YouTube will share the content with more people, and I'm on a mission to share this sourcing knowledge with as many people as possible. And if you hit the bell, ding ding, it will turn on post notifications so you can stay up updated on the latest videos that I make from sourcing products from the Far East, and I make videos in factories, in product factories, in packaging factories, a lot of negotiation strategies on price, and a lot of other information. So if you are into sourcing and supply chain and product development, please do me a massive favor, hit that like and subscribe, and let's get back to the video. Yes, how's it going, guys? We are here with Nora, who specializes in these awesome Christmas sweaters. So Nora, gearing up for Christmas, if anyone is interested to purchase sweaters like this, what would the rough FOB cost on a Christmas sweater like this be?
For the basic style, it's about $5 to $6.
So $5 to $6, and this material is acrylic material?
Yes, right.
100% acrylic?
Yeah.
Perfect, cool. And what would be the lead time? How long would it take if a customer gives you a purchase order of, let's say, 1,000 pieces? How long does it take to produce 1,000 pieces of this Christmas sweater?
It's about 1 month.
1 month, okay, cool. And they can make any designs, so like, you know, if they want like their favorite football team, or, you know, like their favorite holiday saying.
You can do all the styles and the patterns. You can give us the design. Yeah.
So full customization. And what would be your MOQ for a fully customized Christmas sweater?
It's about 300.
300 pieces.
Yeah.
So 300 pieces, about $5. So yeah, that's a very good purchase order. And then here we got some other designs as well, which are quite cool. This also around $5 to $6.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes, same.
And then up here we have some styles with, these have got lights on it, and these ones have got larger lights. You incorporate different materials and different texture, different finish. What would be the price of one like this?
It's about $8 to $10.
$8 to $10. And also the MOQ around 300 pieces?
Yes, it's also 300.
And if someone wanted to split the design, so maybe they take 150 pieces of this and 150 pieces with the light, it's also okay?
100 is too small.
100 too small, but around 300 is okay. Maybe 200 per style would be okay?
Maybe.
Maybe. So how can people contact you if they want their Christmas sweaters from you? What's the best way for people to reach you? Can I have your name card to share with the audience?
Yeah.
So this is Nora's information. If you want to buy your Christmas sweaters and you want some cool designs like this, reach out to Nora, and the information will be in the link in the description down below, so check it out. Nora, thank you so much, and have a Merry Christmas. Yes guys, how you doing? I'm with Whitney and Sibley, and they've got some beautiful Christmas decoration products, which you can see behind me. All these really cool inflatables, different sizes. We've got the Grinch, we've got Santa, we've got a teddy bear, we've got a snowman, all sorts of cool designs. So if anyone is interested in buying these inflatable Christmas decorations, what would be the price of a product like this this guy right here?
$32.
$32. And what type of MOQ would you expect for?
For this one is a 500 piece.
500 pieces. And could the customer give you custom design if they want to make the character different size, different shape, different color? They can do full customization?
Yes.
Very cool. And for full customization, MOQ also around 500 pieces?
If they could buy the 500 piece, we could otherwise they buy the stock.
By the stock. So you have a lot of stock designs as well.
We have some available goods in our factory.
So if you have stock products, maybe you can accept a lower MOQ for your stock items. So if a new customer, they just want to do a trial order, they just want to do 50 pieces, 100 pieces, you can also accept?
Buy the available goods in our factory for small quantity.
Cool. And which is your most popular item which you export out of interest?
Maybe like this one.
The big
and the snowman is most popular.
And which is your most popular market?
European and
USA.
United States and
Canada.
Australia.
Australia, Europe, Canada, USA. So you've got a very good mix then. Yes, how's it going, guys? Hope you're well. I'm here with Stanley, and we're just looking at these Christmas teddies. So these are all really, really cool designs that all set up on a shelf, and there's various different sizes as well. So Stanley, these little teddy bears, we've got Santa, we've got Snowman. What would be the rough FOB price of a...
Like this one is around $3.50.
Around $3.50.
Yeah.
And what's like the normal MOQ you would ask for a customer for a product like this?
Generally it's 600 pieces.
600 pieces,
Yeah.
cool. And do you have your own designs that customers just order your designs, or a customer can also customize their own Christmas teddy bears?
Some in the factory, some is over here.
Okay, so you can do both. You can design, customer design, and also have your own design.
All welcome.
And then you have like the wooden ones as well. Are they made in the same factory, or you have a different factory for these?
Different factory. It's the parts from another vendor, from the vendor. Yeah.
Sure. So a slightly different material because inside this is like synthetic. It's like polyester, the stuffing.
Yeah. Yes, polyester. 100% polyester.
100% polyester for these toys, and they also have lights in them as well, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So that's around like $3.50, including the lights, everything, yeah?
It's up to the buyer. Then, yeah. If you like, we can add inside. Otherwise, you can.
Sure.
Yeah.
Because you've got like the toy here and then the battery pack.
Yeah.
So if you want to add custom lights, you can do that as well. And then it's a solid base so they can sit on any shelf. So like a nice decoration to have around the house. And you've got different sizes as well. Some taller ones up here, some small ones. So what would be the FOB price?
FOB is generally around $2.
Around $2.
Yeah.
And then customer can also like take a few of these, like maybe 100 pieces of this, 100 pieces of this, and mix the order, right? Or you prefer 300 pieces per style?
I prefer 600 pieces.
Okay, 600 pieces in total, so you go 200, 200, 200.
No, cannot. Per style.
Per style,
Yeah.
per style. Okay, cool. So that is the MOQ per style. Interesting. And then you have some tall ones over here. Mm-hmm. So let's take a look at this guy. Like we've got Rudolph the reindeer here. How much would this Rudolph be?
Around $16.
$16.
Yeah. It's collapsible. It's collapsible.
Oh shit, it's collapsible.
So you can save the flat cost.
Oh, I was not expecting that. Yeah, that's cool. Very cool, very cool. And yeah, very nice. What do you think about that? He's shy.
Hello, say hello.
Yeah, say hello. Okay, cool, amazing. So if people want to contact you about these Christmas toys and decorations, you can contact my guy Stanley, and the factory is in Shantou.
In Shantou, yeah, in Guangdong province.
Guangdong province, excellent. So this is Stanley's information. I'm going to put it in the link in the description down below. Hit up Stanley for all your Christmas toys. And yeah, Stanley, wish you a Merry Christmas.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, nice to meet you. Take care.
Thank you.
See you guys. Hey guys, so I just want to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. I hope you're enjoying this video, and if you do like to see more content like this, I do have a sourcing community if you want to learn from me directly, where I have a lot of weekly calls and I have lots of trainings on product development and supply chain, and there's all my documents, templates, resources, forms. So if you are interested in taking your product development and supply chain to the next level, definitely check out sourcingschool.com, and I'll link that down below as well. And if you are interested to come to the Canton Fair in future as well, and you want to check out the Christmas products, but a lot of other categories of products as well, they have over 60 halls here. It's over 3 phases. It's the largest import-export exhibition in the world. I would definitely recommend coming to check out the Canton Fair, and I do have a course on the Canton Fair as well, which is available within my community as well. And if you want, I'll be hosting a meetup here in Guangzhou as well for the next Canton Fair. We have them every April and every October. It'll be a one-day event, and we also have a larger one as well. So all that information will be linked in cantonfairmastery.com, so please check that out when you get a chance, and I really hope to meet you guys here in Guangzhou. But hope you enjoy the next video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Merry Christmas, lots of love.